it's Renata and it's day 3 of our 5-day smoothie challenge. I hope you've been enjoying the smoothies so far. Now, today our smoothie is the Pineapple Kale Smoothie. This is actually one of my daughter's favorite smoothies because she loves summer tropical fruits. And this smoothie actually tastes just like pineapple. You cannot taste the kale at all. Okay, let's get to making our Pineapple Kale Smoothie. That recipe. If you give it a try, make sure you take a photo and tag me on Instagram at Nourish_with_Renata, or just comment below this video and let me know if this recipe or another recipe is one that you're definitely going to try again. Okay, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can find out when tomorrow's smoothie recipe video comes out. See you tomorrow. Bye!